Alrighty, in today's adventures we have a 2017 Lincoln MKZ. I accidentally hit forward, so I'm going to do auto detect and it will hopefully read it's a Lincoln. Pretty excited about this one. It uses this key. Excuse me. I think in the time that I've been doing this, I've used one of this key ever. So that's cool. Just never run into Lincolns that have it. Naturally, I didn't want to read it. So we will go back to Lincoln. I usually do Ford Lincoln stuff with no, Lincoln's not in there. I guess we gotta go to Ford. I usually do this with Auto Pro Pad. We use Autel just to do something different, and it's pretty sunny out here. Wouldn't have been able to see the screen on the Pro Pad at all. And as I say that, a cloud comes over. All right, we went to manual. Lincoln is under Ford in manual. MKZ 17 to 20 smart key, and the programming slot is under the rear cup holder. I don't know how you could really get something that was under rubber that dirty, but that's where we're at. Alright, we're going to go control unit, keyless system. I am going to check the key count because on the Lincoln and Ford proximity keys, the max is 4 and I am doing 2. So I want to make sure we got room for that. I'm doing add because I'm pretty sure this lady's going to find her key. We're out in the middle of nowhere and it's obviously on the property here. So I just want to be able to still use it if she finds it. Learn keys too, so that's cool. We can add my 2, and if she finds hers, she'll still be able to use them. Luckily, I do not have an active alarm, so that's going to save me some time and headache. Yes, turn ignition on and close the driver door one time. Can't turn the ignition on, bro. I'll push it and wake the car up. Start button's up here too. Lincoln's weird sometimes. Let's get some communication going. Put the blinkers on. Wake up! Normal that the instrument cluster turns black while performing this function, obviously, because it's black now. This, I believe, is going to take that amount of time, so I'm going to get on picking the door. This HU101, man, is my arch nemesis. It's just beats me a lot. It's one of the harder locks there is to pick, and just something I have not mastered yet, but maybe today will be the day. We'll be back. Alright, we are back. That only took about 4 minutes. Almost got the door. I am definitely going to get it. I can feel it. I was about 1 off on this one. Place the key to be learned into the slot, which, like I said, in the cup holder. Normally when they're in a cup holder like this, it's a hole you stick it straight down in, but this one's just got the outline, so that's where it is. Okay, learning key. We should get a door lock cycle here. There is that. Make sure that remote works. Yes, it does. Yes, I want to learn another key. Remove the key. Good. Put the key in, obviously. Click, click. There it is. Do I want to learn the next key? I do not. We are done. So that was pretty easy. Start it up. Make sure we're running here. I keep pushing start buttons instead of holding them on the older cars. Keeps making me think I messed something up. Car runs. Remotes work. We're gonna finish picking this lock, get these emergency keys cut, and start headed back to civilization. I am way outside of town, but that is how you do that. We are all good to go.